Hello students, I am Gyaneshwara TN. Today I would like to introduce a poem, Night of the Scorpion, written by Indian Jewish poet Nissim Ezekiel. Learning objective of this session is to help students to understand the poem Night of the Scorpion. After watching this video, you will know about the poet Nissim Ezekiel. You will be able to understand the poem Night of the Scorpion. Night of the Scorpion is a narrative poem written by the Indian Jewish poet Nissim Ezekiel. It was published as a part of The Exact Name in 1965. It is included in the AQA anthology. It is used as a study material in Indian and Colombian schools. This poem is about how the scorpion stung the poet's mother and the mother's love for her children. Now let us know about the poet Nissim Ezekiel. Nissim Ezekiel is an Indian Jewish poet, actor, playwright, editor, and art critic. He was born on 16 December 1924 in Mumbai, a city in India. He is often considered the father of modern Indian English poetry by many critics. He has been applauded for his subtle and well-crafted diction dealing with common and mundane themes in a manner that manifests unsentimental realistic sensibility that has been influential on the course of succeeding Indian English poetry. A Time to Change, 60 Poems, The Third, An Unfinished Man, The Exact Name, Hymns in Darkness are some of his poetry collections. Enterprise, Night of the Scorpion, Goodbye Party for Miss Pushpa T.S., Background, Casually, Poet, Lover and Birdwatcher are some of his poems. He received the Sahitya Academy Award in 1983 for his poetry collection Latter Day Psalms. He was conferred with Padma Shri Award in 1988. He died on 9 January 2004. The poem Night of the Scorpion has religious background. The poet narrates how the speaker's mother is stung by a poisonous scorpion. He juxtaposes the pain and horror of the event with the attitudes of simple and ignorant but concerned villagers. Through the lines of the poetry, he emphasizes the hold of superstition on the Indian social psyche with rare insight and sensitivity. Let us recapitulate what we have learnt in this session. The poem Night of the Scorpion is written by the Indian Jewish poet Nissim Ezekiel. Ezekiel was an Indian Jewish poet, actor, playwright, editor, and art critic. He is often considered the father of modern Indian English poetry by many critics. The poem Night of the Scorpion has religious background. The poet narrates how the speaker's mother is stung by a poisonous scorpion and the attitudes of concerned but superstitious villagers. Now let me check your understanding. I will ask some multiple choice questions. Try to answer them. The poem Night of the Scorpion is written by option A. W.B. Yeats, option B. Nissim Ezekiel, option C. Robert Browning, option D. William Wordsworth. Yes, you are correct. The correct answer is option B. Nissim Ezekiel. Question number 2. Nissim Ezekiel was option A. a poet, option B. a playwright, option C. an art critic, option D. all the above. Yes, you are right. The correct answer is option D. all the above. Question number 3. Which poem among the following is not written by Nissim Ezekiel? Option A. Enterprise, option B. Goodbye Party for Miss Pushpa T.S., option C. My Grandmother's House, option D. Background Casually. Yes, you are right. The correct answer is option C. My Grandmother's House. Question number 4. He was awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1983 for his collection option A. Time to Change, option B. Latter-day Psalms, option C. Hymns in Darkness, option D. The Unfinished Man. Yes, you are correct. The correct answer is option B. Latter-day Psalms. Question number 5. Nissim Ezekiel was honored with option A. Padma Shri, option B. Padma Bhushan, option C. Padma Vibhushan, option D. Bharat Ratna. Yes, you are correct. The correct answer is option A. Padma Shri. This is the list of websites and books I referred. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.